I recently finished this game called 5-Field Kono, or Olpat Kono in the original Korean. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, even though it was a journey to get there. Check out the full-length video on my channel if you want to see that. But as much as I like this, I would like it more if it was self-contained. The game is played with 14 marbles, 7 on each side, but now when I travel with the game, I have to put them in a bag or something. It would be great if this fit into a box. So I saw a similar small board game like this online that essentially had a cover that went over it, and I like that idea. So that's what I'm going to build. I'm going to build it out of this MDF because I have some scrap laying around. Now, MDF is trash. I'm not sure if I'm going to like this, so I don't want to invest in putting a nice wood into it. I cut these little finger holes into the wood. Basically, I just took this one piece, drilled a hole in the center, and then ran it through my table saw. Make sure I don't screw up this sizing. Okay. I've screwed this up so many times where I'm just using a butt joint, right? The pieces just come together as opposed to a miter joint, and I forget which side goes on the inside and which goes on the outside, and then I end up making the box too small. I got these adorable little clamps from Harbor Freight, and I almost never get a chance to use them. Oh, that is a nice fit. Just need to cut a top and bottom for this now. Okay, this should be dry. All right, looks pretty decent. So I cut a matching piece for the bottom, and my plan is I'm going to attach the board to this bottom piece, and then this will just slip over it like that, and it's just a pressure fit. You got to clean up these edges. I'm going to use an oil-based black enamel on this, and we'll see how it goes. Let this dry overnight. Looks pretty good. I don't love leaving the inside of this raw, but the fit is so tight that I'm concerned that a couple layers of enamel might make it too tight, or that the enamel will rub off on the wood. So this will, I'll attach this to the plate underneath, and then it'll just slide over like that. I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna like this, so I'm gonna glue this down with hot glue, and then if I really hate it, I can just pry it off later. All right, that hot glue should be set up by now, and yeah. Check one more thing. When I was measuring, I tried to make sure that the marbles would actually fit in there. Yeah. All right. But I do want to do one more thing first. So according to the internet, this is the Korean word for this game, Olpat Kono. Or 5-Field Kono in English, and I want to paint this on top of the lid. Now, I don't read or write Korean, so if this is wrong, I'm I'm sure somebody in the comments will tell me, because I have no idea what this really says. All right, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna call it done. If you want to learn more about the rules, history, and strategy of ancient games, check out the full-length videos in my channel.